Look up Washburn Ave, find Beachmont train station, Beachmont roast beef, right there. What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here, Wicked Explorers. This edition of the North Shore Three-Way brings us to my hometown of Revere, Massachusetts. I can't believe it took me this long to get to this place. But we are actually doing a roast beef sandwich. So we're actually at Beachmont Roast Beef here in Beachmont, Revere, near the water. We're gonna go in there and get ourselves a roast beef sandwich for lunch. And I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna tell you how it is. Here we go. All right, so just went in there. It's I don't know, 2 o'clock on a Wednesday, so it's not that busy, which is good. I peaked after the lunch rush. I am ashamed to say, out of the almost 38 years on this planet, and I would say majority of them living on the North Shore, and at least 75% of those years living in Revere, I've never had a Beachmont roast beef. Now, it's on the other side of town where I grew up, so I can understand why it was tough for me to get to here when you had Mel's roast beef on the street first. But that said, I did hear from several people that this is probably one of the best roast beef sandwiches in the city. So I got it right here. I got a ginger ale and a junior beef, and it's actually a good size sandwich for a small. $9 for it all. Not bad at all. Right up there in the whatchamacallit, that range. You know, not too expensive. And I should have got some napkins. This looks like it's gonna be a mess. All right, so this is right here. A lot of sauce, that's what I like. Beef looks very tender. Just take a bite and see how it is. That's a real good beef. Sauce is really good. That typical roast beef sandwich sauce you get in the North Shore roast beefs. The beef is very tender. Kind of like melts in your mouth. Not chewy like Kelly's, which is like fatty and chewy, which not a big fan. This is actually kind of tender in taste. Bread's really good. I do like a toasted bun, but you know, it's all right. It's not a deal breaker. So let me have a few more bites and see how it goes. All right, getting down to the final bites here. Got a lot of sauce initially, a little dry in the middle. I could have asked for extra sauce, and that would take care of that problem. The problem is when you ask for extra sauce, and this is the big debate, and this is why I like the toasted bun. Is we get extra sauce, it does soggy the bun a lot quicker. And unless you're gonna eat it right then and there, if you're taking it to go somewhere, if it's gonna be a long distance situation, you're better off just getting the sauce on the side and kind of, you know, catering it to yourself and putting the sauce on once you get to your final destination. But if you're gonna eat like this situation, like literally I'm right next to the place, I came up to my car and I'm eating, you can do the extra sauce thing, it's not a big deal. But I would say it's pretty good. I would say not my favorite, definitely not the worst. This is up there, top 5. I think Mike's and Everett's still my favorite. But the word on the street was right. Beachmont roast beef makes a good roast beef sandwich. Now, if you're looking for where this place is located, really easy. It's right literally underneath the Beachmont train station on the Blue Line. I don't know the main street in front of me right now, but Washburn Ave is the side street on the corner. So look up Washburn Ave, find Beachmont train station, Beachmont roast beef, right there. So if you're on the train in Boston, I'm going with a car. Just take the train to Beachmont station, get down, boom, you're good to go. All right, that concludes this episode of the Wicked Explorers and North Shore Three-Way. Please excuse my penguin blanket back there. It is there covering up some stuff in the old car. It's a little guy's blanket, so I would say a scale of 1 to 5. I give this a 4. 5 being the best. Critiques: I probably could have got more sauce, but that's on me. Extra sauce and toasted bun. I really like this toasted bun. The bun wasn't toasted, and I think that would add a little bit more crisp to it. Consistency of the roast beef was good. Not a lot of fat. It's tender, tasty. That's all that matters. So thank you guys for watching. Check out Beachmont Roast Beef, Revere, Massachusetts. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think, and give it a like, just so it helps the algorithm and this video pops up. So see you guys soon. Bye.